our integration in the Blackboard Open LMS. It's based on the Moodle plugin, so pretty much is the same. We will see. I will now share my screen. For the customer, they have to submit a support ticket or case to have the PlagScan plugin enabled. So this differs from the Moodle plugin in the way that they don't install it or update. It depends on the support from Blackboard. So once they submit the case, they will receive a reply when it's done, like we can see here. And then they can access to the plugin settings. So to access to those settings, the admin has to go here to the admin button and then click on, let me delete this. It's open. So they have to click on Site Administration, Plugins, then search for Plugins and PlagScan. This will open a window that I have opened already here with my credential. Here they will put their client ID from PlagScan and the API key, and then check the callback configuration. And they have to click here for Enable PlagScan. Let's say we have here a few settings. These settings are effective only if they have this option. So associate upload files with the main PlagScan account. This means all the files will go to the admin account as well as the assignment. But we recommend this option. So we have individual teacher and user accounts, so they can also have access to the interactive report, change matches, quotes, and save settings, comments, and so. Once they finish, they save the changes, and they will have PlagScan enabled, so they can go to the course. So we go to the PlagScan course, for example, I create. And then here, they could create a learning activity. So the PlagScan plugin here is working as well for Moodle, only on assignments. So they have to create an assignment, and then they will see, once PlagScan is enabled on the platform, a menu here. In this menu, they can enable PlagScan for this assignment. We have a few options here. They can pick the one that match their needs. So we will pick this one. This one will start manually the check as well as the upload of the file, and we don't have to worry about clicking for analyze the file or so. They also have the option for enable PlagScan for online text submission. This is when the student can submit plain text on a form. They can pick where they want to share the result with the student, never, always, of or after due dates. We will select in this example always. And also they can share only the plagiarism level, but also the report. So we will pick this option. We will put the name on this assignment, and we create it. So now the assignment is created with PlagScan enabled. They can access to view our submission to see all the student submissions. We have here one user student account. So I have in another window that account. Let me see how can I move the okay, and this is the PlagScan student account. So I just refresh, and then I will see the created assignment. user will access to it, and then he can add a new submission. Pick a file from anywhere. I will pick one from my hard drive, this example document, and upload the file. So once the file is there, he can also submit more than one, but when it's done, he just click on Save Changes. And the assignment, the submission will be there. So now it's saying uploading file to PlagScan. And if we go back to the teacher view, also if we refresh, we will see that message. So we have the access to the file that was uploaded to Moodle directly, but also here we will see once it's finished the report result. Meanwhile, this is loading. I want to comment that right now in this test environment, we have all version of the plugin because they will release a new one soon. And there are some missing options that could be interesting for our customers. If I access back to the edit window, we can see here PlagScan. And here we are missing two options. One of them is for exclude the assignment files from the repository, and the other one is for excluding self matches from a student, as well as other ways to enable PlagScan here. Also, as we saw in the admin settings, we have a few options for the check and so. And now we have created the assignment. We can try to go to the PlagScan settings from the user that created the assignment. So if we open here, we will see the user settings. This is the settings affects all the assignment that this user has had created and enabled PlagScan on. So we can change the report language, the email policy, if we want to generate a docs file, and also if, against what we want to compare our documents. Also the autosave document, the sensitivity, and the yellow and red level. Let's see how it's going our file. It's still uploading to PlagScan. This could take a bit because it depends on the Chrome of Blackboard instance, and this could be maybe be executed every minute or 2 minutes. I don't know exactly how much or how often, and then it's trigger all the upload by that time. So let's see. Okay, meanwhile it's loading that, maybe we can go to other assignment where I have some example. So here I have created before assignment, and we can see how the results look like. So they can have they see the report level here, and this is acting as a direct link to the report. So if they click on it, a new tab will open and they will see the report. Once they click, the teacher will be authenticated, so they can already do some changes to the file, like change the matches and save changes. comments, and everything. So we have the file finished. You can see also here on the student view. And if the teacher allows it, the student will access to the report, but the student cannot change the matches or so. You only have a view only access on the file. Another interesting thing is if we act as different teacher. So now I will log in as a different teacher from the one that created the assignment. The platform will automatically involve us in the assignment, because it's, if you are enrolled in the course as a teacher, you can access to all the assignment. And as well for the plugin. So every time another teacher that is not the owner of the assignment clicks on a report, he will be involved and will have rights to change anything on the file, as well as comments and so this is Blackboard Open LMS plugin in a nutshell.